Hi students, let's learn today topic 2.2. Let's speak. Textbook page number is 20. So let's see students what is given here. 2.3. Let's speak. A is given. Look at the pictures and say 2 to 3 lines or sentences about them. So students, you have to see these pictures or you have to watch these pictures and you have to say 2 to 3 lines about these pictures. Let's see students now. Now which picture is this? This is a picture of doctor. Okay, let's see now. Now see, a doctor works in a hospital and clinic. You know students, these doctors works in hospital and clinic. Next, people go to a doctor when they are ill or sick. You know, if you are ill or people are ill or sick, they go to a doctor to take medicines. Next, doctor gives them medicines and cures them. You know, when anyone is ill or anyone is sick, then doctor gives them medicines or injection and cures them. See next now. Which picture is this? This is a picture of policewoman. Now let's see. A policewoman controls the traffic. You know, when there is a traffic on the road, this policewoman control all the traffic. Okay. Next, if anyone break the traffic rules, she makes them fine. You know, if anyone break the traffic rules, if anyone is not having license or helmet, okay, or documents of car or vehicles or bike, then and if peoples can break these rules, if there is a red signal and if anyone cross the signal, okay, at that time this policewoman makes them fine. Okay, see next now. She also helps the people to cross the road always. Next, when peoples have need for crossing the road, old people or students or kids, at that time this policewoman always helps the people to cross the road. Okay, see next now. Now which picture? This is a picture of conductor. Let's see now. A conductor gives a ticket in a bus. Okay, you know, when you are travel or people travel in a bus, this conductor always gives them a ticket. Next, he rings a bell when the bus has to start or stop. Okay, if any time bus has to start or stop, at that time this conductor always rings the bell. Next, see, he also helps people if they have any luggage with them. You know, if anyone is having luggage, people are having luggage, at that time this conductor always helps the people. See next now. Farmer. Which picture? This is a picture of farmer students. See next now. A farmer works in the fields. You know, farmers works in the fields or farm. Next, he grows crops. This farmer grows crops. Which crops? Wheat, jowari, bajri, rice, all the vegetables, all the fruits. Who grows up? This all the crops this farmer grows up. Whatever we eat students na, this all things are grows in the farm, in the field, and who grows this? So this farmer grows all these crops. Okay, so we have to always say thanks to the farmer students. Okay, see next now. He plugged the field with the help of bullocks or tractor. You know, with the help of the bullocks or tractor, farmer plug the field. Okay, you know it. See next now. Now which picture? This is a picture of soldier. Remember students, when you see any soldier, firstly you have to salute the soldiers. So why? Let's see now. Why we have to salute the soldiers? Let's see. Because a soldier defends the country during the times of war. Okay, when students, any enemy of our country attack on our country, at that time firstly who? This soldier defends our country. Okay, he faces the enemies. Okay, okay, he dies for our country. He sacrifices his whole life for our country. Okay, so that's why whenever you see any soldier, you have to firstly salute them. See next now. He also helps people when there are floods or earthquake. You know, if there is any natural calamity. Okay, if there are floods or earthquakes or tsunami, at that time firstly these soldiers helps people. Okay, see next now. and he protect our country from enemies, and this soldier always protect our countries from enemies, from terrorists, and from all the enemies of our country. These soldiers protect our country. That's why students, whenever, once again I am telling you, whenever you see any soldier, you have to salute our soldiers. Anywhere you see, you have to firstly salute them. Okay, see next now. Now which picture is this? Chef. Okay, this is a picture of chef. Let's see now. A chef is a person who is in charge of kitchen in hotels and restaurants. Let's see. In big hotels and restaurants, the chef is in charge. Okay, means all the food are made in the hotels and restaurants by the instruction of this chef, or all the food he made, this chef made. Okay, let's see next. He cooks various food items. Okay, whatever we eat in hotel, students, or restaurants, these all food items are made by this chef. See next now. He is always dressed in white and wears a special cap while cooking. You know, this chef always dress in white. Okay, this white dress, and wears a special cap while cooking, and he always wears this special cap while cooking, students. So this type you can see the picture, you can watch the picture, you can look the picture, and you can say 2 to 3 lines about this picture, students. So that's all from this lesson, and if you like, and thanks for watching, and if you like this video, then please students subscribe this YouTube channel